Hello everyone, it's great to have you with us today. As a pioneer in mobile AI, we believe that technology should help your daily life and that AI should be accessible to everyone. I'm happy to share that Galaxy AI is already on over 200 million devices around the world. And with the new products we are showing you today, we expect to double that number this year. To expand the reach of Galaxy AI, we're introducing our most advanced fan edition yet, the Galaxy S25 FE. It delivers the flagship experience of the S series, powered by leading-edge features in One UI 8 to support you throughout your day. In July, we optimized Galaxy AI for larger screens with the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and now we're bringing that experience to our flagship tablet. The Galaxy Tab S11 is a beautiful, thin and light canvas, where the power of Galaxy AI and the precision of the S Pen come together to help you maximize productivity and create with ease. So let's get right to it. Introducing the all-new Samsung Galaxy S25 FE.
Meet the new Galaxy S25 FE, designed to deliver the latest, most powerful Galaxy AI experiences to more people. Building on the trusted design foundation of our S series, Galaxy S25 FE is slimmer and lighter than last year's edition, even with a bigger battery. With a bold camera and soft, hazy finish, it's available in 4 colors to fit your style: navy, jet black, icy blue, and white. The 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display offers a bright, immersive view. With up to 120 Hz refresh rate, scrolling through social media feels seamless and effortlessly smooth. But great design isn't just about looks. Framed with enhanced Armor aluminum and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, it's built to handle everyday life worry-free, because its true strength lies on the inside. Galaxy S25 FE is your gateway to a true AI companion, offering personalized experiences that enhance user interaction and productivity in ways that feel effortless and natural. At the heart of the experience is One UI 8, our most intuitive, personal interface with powerful Galaxy AI experiences yet. Galaxy S25 FE will be the first ever S-series device to launch with One UI 8, which will be rolling out across previous models soon. With Writing Assist, Galaxy AI can check spelling and grammar for something I've written. Or I can compose tailored emails, text messages, or social posts with a simple prompt. It can even help you edit the tone. It's an AI companion that adapts to your needs, helping you communicate clearly and confidently, wherever or whenever you need it. And that's just one way Galaxy AI can work with you. Thanks to One UI 8's multimodality, your devices can now understand context as easily as you do by seeing what you see or transforming the ideas you describe into reality. That's exactly where Google Gemini takes it to the next level. You can now talk with Gemini about anything you see through your Galaxy's camera. All you have to do is long press the side button and Gemini gives you instant context-aware support the moment you ask.
What is this? Pierogi? Did I pronounce that right?
It's pronounced pierogi, a tasty dish like dumplings.
Any sides to pair with it? Something light?
In the mood for fresh, the beet salad would be a good choice.
Sounds good. And when inspiration strikes, you can turn just a few words into something visual. With Veo 3 in Google, a simple prompt can create a video, helping you bring your ideas to life.
My heart, my soul, my passion burns for you.
It's a glimpse of what's possible when creativity meets AI. The Samsung Galaxy S series has always been famous for its powerful cameras, and the Galaxy S25 FE is no exception. Every shot, every video is enhanced by the next-gen Pro Visual Engine, which delivers intelligent scene optimization with unmatched clarity in every frame. The object-aware engine detects different subjects to optimize exposure and color to keep your shots looking true to life. Up front, the 12-megapixel selfie camera captures sharper, flattering shots. So whether it's a video selfie or story, you'll always look your best. And the magic doesn't stop once you take the picture. With Galaxy S25 FE, you get a powerful suite of AI-driven creative tools that make editing, enhancing, and sharing effortless. With instant slow-mo, you can relive moments in a whole new way. Just tap and hold to transform any video into a silky smooth, slow-motion clip. Instant slow-mo intelligently generates new frames between existing ones to make every detail more fluid and cinematic, so your favorite memories feel even more epic. When you want to fine-tune those memories, Photo Assist makes it effortless to move or remove objects from your shot. Generative Edit fills the space naturally, and smarter background analysis ensure every edit blends seamlessly into the scene. And with 10-bit HDR, video is clearer and more stunning than ever. But sometimes when you're filming, noise threatens to spoil a great video. Audio Eraser can step in, analyzing, separating the audio so that you can reduce distractions and keep every word or moment crystal clear. The Galaxy S25 FE combines powerful hardware with intelligent AI to help you do more, all backed by reliable performance. Whether you're editing or gaming, Galaxy S25 FE delivers the speed and stability you need. Its new thermal design features a vapor chamber over 10% larger than the S24 FE, using liquid cooling to draw heat away from the chipset, ensuring consistent performance that stays cool, fast, and free from slowdowns under pressure. And with an upgraded battery, it keeps going, so you can too. Galaxy S25 FE packs the largest battery ever in an FE smartphone, built to keep up all day and then some. Galaxy S25 FE is your gateway into the flagship Galaxy experience. It's built to help you capture, create, and bring ideas to life wherever you are. Combining advanced AI features with a pro-grade camera in a device made for everyday life. Galaxy S25 FE will be available starting today from $649. It comes with 6 months of Google AI Pro at no extra cost, giving you access to the most powerful Gemini features like VO3, plus 2 terabytes of cloud storage and much more. Galaxy AI is now in more hands than ever, putting powerful tools right in your pocket. But some ideas need a little bit more room to grow. That's why we've reimagined the tablet experience, introducing the Galaxy Tab S11 series.
Now that's the power of giving your ideas a bigger canvas. The Galaxy Tab S11 series brings together a large screen, S Pen, and the latest Galaxy AI into our most powerful tablets yet. It comes in 2 sizes, including our slimmest tablet ever, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, which is just 5.1 millimeters thin and weighs only 692 grams. And the dynamic AMOLED 2X display is not only beautiful, It also provides an incredibly smooth and bright viewing experience with up to 120 Hertz refresh rate and 1600 nits of peak brightness. At the heart of the Galaxy Tab S11 series is a breakthrough 3nm processor, a first for the Galaxy Tab family, delivering the fastest performance amongst our tablets yet, with improvements in CPU, GPU, and NPU. But don't just take our word for it. We've invited tech influencer and founder of Bored at Work to share his first impressions. Inabong?
Thanks, Nelson. Now let's take a closer look at the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Wow, I mean, this is super light, guys. It feels very comfortable to hold, especially for a tablet this size. I mean, Samsung has done a really impressive job here. Now, coupled with the fact that they've added quad speakers to this, you're going to get impressive sound, which I love. This is a 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. It's just super vivid, bright, and it's got some really rich colors. You've got a resolution of 2960 by 1848, up to 120 Hertz refresh rate, which as a gamer, I absolutely love. And this is a brand new S Pen from Samsung. Now it's included in the box, which is great, but I also love the hexagonal shape, which means it feels more like a pencil and feels very comfortable. If you like to draw or shade, this is great because it's got better tilt angles, which means you can do a much better job at your drawings. I also love the fact that this doesn't require any charging whatsoever, which means you can draw or shade as long as you want. Let's talk performance. This is the very first Samsung tablet with a 3nm processor, which gives us impressive performance for gaming. Now let's take a look at a game like Delta Force Mobile. Wow, performance is just butter smooth. Details in the environments are nice, no slowdowns whatsoever. Solid ray tracing effects on the water, which is nice. Okay. Look at this on a tablet. Wow. Let's take a look at Genshin Impact. Now, this is a game I love to play, and once in a while I get stuck at certain monster fights. This is one of them. And here's a feature I like to use, which is circle to search. Holding down the home button, I can circle the monster, and it gives me details on how to beat the monster, which is great, and honestly, a fun feature as a gamer that I like that's included. As first impressions goes, this is an awesome tablet. I mean, we've got 3nm processor, quad speakers, stunning display, plus it's thin and light. Now I'll be spending more time on the channel with this tablet and I'll be giving you my full review. Back to you, Nelson.
Thank you, Inabong. As you've just seen, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra pushes performance and versatility, supercharging gameplay, productivity, and every task in between. Of course, no tab experience is complete without the S Pen, and the all-new S Pen was designed with a hexagonal grip, making everyday writing and sketching feel more natural, steady, and effortless. Let's take a look.
For over a decade, the S Pen has been a fan favorite, helping our users create, write, and get things done. But the S Pen's legacy is a story of continuous advancement, driven by the needs of its most enthusiastic users. At its heart, the ultimate unspoken design goal is to replicate the most natural creative tool, the pencil. So simple, yet powerful. For ages, the pencil has helped people bring ideas to life. And now, the new S Pen gets a step closer to that experience. The next-gen S Pen. The new S Pen's design is crafted to feel instantly familiar, with a comfortable grip that naturally fits in every hand. The cone-shaped pen tip now supports a greater tilt, giving you more freedom for detailed sketches and expressive strokes. The harder you press, the darker the line. The angle of your hand determines the stroke. The S Pen's internal structure and materials have been meticulously redesigned. It's stronger and more durable than ever. The new S Pen blends technical mastery with human-centered design. Combined with the Galaxy Tab S11's outstanding display and optimized AI experiences for the large screen, the S Pen serves as your ultimate creative companion, seamlessly transforming your ideas into reality with precision.
The new S Pen is not only more comfortable to hold, but it also lets you draw seamlessly without interruption. With a simple press of its side button, you can instantly open quick tools on Samsung Notes or PenUp to give you quick access to a variety of colors and pen types to bring your ideas to life. Galaxy Tab S11 and the S Pen are a winning combination, which is why the S Pen comes included in the box. And both the tablet and the S Pen are IP68 rated for water and dust resistance. As Jay mentioned, we're focused on putting the power of Galaxy AI into your hands, and we're bringing the optimized experience to our flagship tablet. Now Brief is your personal dashboard, giving you an at-a-glance summary of your day to proactively share information you need when it matters the most. Galaxy Tab S11 doubles as a device for AI Home, simplifying device management. With large screen optimized features such as 3D map view, it's easy to see the status of SmartThings enabled devices, and Drawing Assist is designed to complement you by creating stylized visuals. You can also take advantage of the large screen to drag and drop generated text or images across apps. Since Google joined us last year at Unpacked to introduce Circle to Search, it's been evolving to provide even more insightful help. And soon, Circle to Search will be able to translate in real time. So as you scroll through any app in another language, the words will transform before your eyes, keeping the original formatting and context. It's great for reading comics online. Today, multimodal AI is introducing a shift in how we interact with technology. Google Gemini understands language, audio, and visuals all at once. Just pull up Gemini and tap to share your screen.
Hey Gemini, looking at my channel stats, what direction should I go in with my next video?
It looks like your videos about tech that doesn't need to be complicated are performing well.
So appeal to a non-tech savvy audience?
Exactly. Your audience seems to really connect with straightforward tech tips.
While you browse across multiple tabs or websites, Gemini can help gather information, compare items, and share answers along the way. That intelligence seamlessly extends from the screen into your physical world.
How can I improve this background for my tech reviews?
Let's start with the bookshelf. Try removing some of the smaller items to declutter it.
What about lighting?
You want to make sure you're well lit.
Gemini can see what you see through your camera. By bridging the digital and physical worlds so effortlessly, it truly becomes the companion you didn't even know you needed. But smart tools need a smart workspace. And that's where the all-new DeX takes productivity to the next level. Multitasking across several apps, you can expand your screen real estate and multiple DeX workspaces. Customize your setup in a way that feels natural and efficient, instantly transforming your tablet into a powerful multi-screen workstation. The Galaxy Tab S11 series isn't just powerful, it's ready to work the moment you turn it on. With GoodNotes, Clip Studio Paint, LumaFusion, Notion, and other popular apps for note-taking, illustration, video editing, and organizing, you can jump straight into your projects. And whether you're working on a creative portfolio or you need to boost productivity, these apps are designed to simplify everyday tasks and streamline workflows. The Galaxy Tab S11 series is our most advanced flagship tablet lineup, combining the power of AI with an immersive large screen experience to create the ultimate tool for your productivity and creativity. The Galaxy Tab S11 will be available from $799 and the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra from $1,199. Both will be available starting today. And for some more exciting news, back to Jay.
As you have just seen, the Galaxy S25 FE and the Galaxy Tab S11 series demonstrate our commitment to bringing AI to more people on more devices. Whether you're capturing a quick idea on the S25 FE or getting serious work done on the larger canvas of the Tab S11, Galaxy AI is there to help you every step of the way. We're leading the way in mobile AI, but we're still in the early stages. By collaborating with companies that share our vision, we're creating entirely new products and reimagining what everyday experiences can be. We're also working together to create a device that understands context and supports you seamlessly in the background, enhancing your everyday life. We can't wait to share more exciting news with you as our journey continues. So stay tuned. Thank you.